Hello and welcome to this video of why programming is important skills in 21st century. In simple words, programming is a process of designing, developing, writing, testing and maintaining computer software. It is used in almost every industry today. It is used in finance industry, from education to healthcare to ERPs. In almost every industry, we are using different computer software, and to develop such softwares, we need to learn programming languages. And therefore, the programming is one of the most important skill set in 21st century. In this session, I'm going to give you three different reasons why this programming skill set will have a bright future in nearby years. Before starting our actual content, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and click on notification button so that you will get updates of my videos. So let us jump into the actual content where we are going to discuss why programming is one of the most important skill set in 21st century. So the first and most important reason is automation. In almost every industry, we need automation for different purposes. Without automation, we cannot develop new softwares and we cannot have new concepts in programming. And therefore, automation is a key of development. There are many reasons why we need automation, because without automation we cannot have progress in any field. So making our life simple, easier and better and efficient, we need to use different automation skills at different levels. For example, many businesses uses programming to automate their financial process, which saves time, reduces efforts and also reduces errors in a process. It also gives more extent. For example, now you can send your bills through emails and WhatsApp messages. Now this is possible because of automation. We can automate every sector. Now this is an example of financial automation. In the same way, we can go for production automation, we can go for sales automation, we can go for different automations in industry. So even you can automate a small things in your industry, and for this automation we need to write new sets of program, we need to write new different applications on a different devices. For example, previously we were having softwares only on computers, but now we are using smartphones, and on smartphone also we need to develop some applications. So again we need to write more programs on for this. The same application is available in different flavors, and that because of the integration of different devices, different networks, we need to have different applications, different bridges, and because of this integration, the automation is more efficient and powerful. And in future, this automation scale is going to increase, and hence we need to write more and more programs, and to write more and more programs we need more and more programmers. So even though there are different programming languages or different easy way of programming is coming in market, the basic concept of programming will remain same, and we need to develop more programmers to fulfill the demand of IT industry. The second reason of requirement of IT and programming is innovation. Now it's an era of AI, artificial intelligence, and we have to innovate everything that we are going to use. Now a lot of different AI tools are available in the market, and these AI tools are giving a lot of innovative things. Now we have to use this innovation in different sectors. Lot of new technologies are coming, those are more efficient and those are more smart, and we need to develop smart applications for them, a different kind of logic that will take decision on its own. So decision making process, becomes a part of programming, and now its extent is increased everywhere. We need innovation, and we have to think how can we make this better and simple. Now here we are systemizing a lot of things, and by using different ideas and skills, tacts, we are creating new applications, and those applications are innovatively incorporated in existing applications, and that innovates a process of working. And this innovation again requires to write different codes, different programs, and those programs are again have to be developed by programmers. And again, this is the reason why we need more programmers in 21st century. So even though there is huge availability of programmers, requirement of programmers is also going to increase in next years, and this is the reason why we need to have this skill set. The innovation is very important for making things better and efficient. So without innovation, we cannot have progress. So along with automation, we have to go for innovation. And automation and innovation works together by using a lot of different technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, cloud-based data, artificial intelligence. All those things we have to use together, and we need a new generation of programmers that thinks differently, that uses new kind of programming languages, new kind of programming techniques. But basic principles of programming will remain again same. So there is a huge scope for programming. And now we are going to discuss the third reason why programming will have a bright future. The third one is digitization. We are going to digitalize every sector of industry. That means everywhere we are going to use a programming. Till today, a lot of businesses are running on a traditional way, but nowadays it becomes very important to have a digital existence of your business. Every business should have a website, every business should have their online sales, every business should have their online working style. And after COVID-19, after a new normal, now every business is going to have ERPs. They are developing ERPs for their business. They are going to have their own existence on online platforms. So there is a need for developing a lot of new softwares, new applications, new ERPs, and a lot of new concepts. Now data becomes very important and very crucial. So not only development of softwares is there, but there is a need to work on existing data. Nowadays the size of data becomes very high, and every business needs different filtering techniques for existing data. They are going to use existing data in different angles, different ways, and there is a demand for data analysts. Now data analysts are also part of programmers. So programming doesn't mean you are going to develop only some devices or applications, but programming is also analyzing the things, analyzing the data, concluding a new data, or retrieving the data. So all those things also comes under programming era. Data becomes asset, and digitalization is need of every industry. And again, it requires more number of programmers and the people, those who are going to work on existing data. So in conclusion, we can say there is a huge demand for programming in 21st century because of three reasons. The first one is automation, second one is innovation, and third one is digitization. So in conclusion, we can say there will be high demand or requirement of programmers in next few years. Now, as per the survey, by 2029, there will be 11% hike in IT industry, and there will be more demand for different programmers. So this will be going much faster again, and therefore there will be a huge demand for programmers in future also. Now from another angle, those who are interested to develop their careers in programming, for them you can check the pay scales and earnings of existing programmers, and that figure is going to increase year by year. and therefore I can say that there is a good demand and requirement of programmers in nearby future. So you can start learning programming today if you are not from programming field. Even though you are from different engineering side or you are from non-IT background, you can learn programming at least to keep yourself competent for new generation, new age of career existence. And you have to learn programming. If you are totally new for programming, then I have given a link below in description that you just click on the link and attend my webinar. I have developed a new model, programming expert model for beginners to learn different programming skills. Please attend my webinar and try to understand the model, how it works, and if you are interested, you can further join my courses. You can see my courses, those are available on maxsofteducation.com. Different courses I have designed for learning programming. Now there are different levels, those are totally new for IT industry. There are different courses, those are having basic programming knowledge, but they want to have more knowledge in or more expertism in different programming languages. They can join respective courses. But I recommend a total path for better accountability. So I have divided the learnings in three categories: beginners, intermediate, and experts. And if you want to become expert in career, you can get job very easily by learning one or two techniques or languages. But if you want to become a long time player, if you want to earn more income from IT industry, then you should be expert at different levels, and it requires lot of skills, knowledge, and guidance. And without accountability, it is not possible. You can learn different small concepts by watching different videos or by learning some books, but if you want to learn faster and more accurately without spending time, wasting time and money, then it is always better to join the courses. I have developed a separate community where we are going to interact with different expert programmers, students, and learners, and that speed up your learning process, and it also motivates to learn and innovate your ideas. I am not only teaching programming, but I am also trying to increase the capability, the logical thinking of my learners and mentees by providing different kinds of hackathons. We are running the competitions. Without competition, we cannot learn programming. That is what my opinion. And I have developed learning along with gamification model. And to understand this model, please join to my webinar, and you can come over there. I will explain the entire model, and then you can start your journey by joining my community. I hope I have cleared three reasons why programming is going to have a better choice for 21st century, and I expect that all of you will have at least some knowledge of programming, and you can utilize it in your career. So wish you best luck for your future. Happy learning.